Narcissists never lost for words. When they're not talking, it probably just means you're getting the silent treatment. Absolutely. It's manipulation. They're like that leaky faucet you can never seem to get to stop dripping. And just when you think that you got it fixed, like, oh, I think I got it, you hear, God dang it. See, with the narcissist, you're going to get plenty of false accusations, empty promises, excuses of why nothing is ever their fault. See, the scenarios they create out of thin air have nothing, and I mean nothing, to do with reality. And they are masters at triggering you to react. You know what they're saying is not true. And even though you promised yourself you would not fall for it again, Charlie Brown, you just can't help yourself. And you fall for the reactive abuse and blow your stack. However, there is a way to make a narcissist choke on their words. For example, when you show them their own words in the text message, in the email, you said, see right here, you said, I will never, ever. Or you got actual recording. That is best. You got their own face and their words saying it, telling you something. Listen, and you present this to them, guess what? You're going to get that dumb stare. That you say, boy, I can't hear you. It seemed like it's stuck. Is the cat got your tongue? I can't. Let me get a little closer. Yeah. See, here's the deal. Now, you ain't going to get no apology. You ain't going to get no admission of guilt. You're just going to hear silence. This is the level of accountability you must have with a narcissist. You have to throw their own words back at them. And by the way, do yourself a favor. Just leave. Who wants to have to do this to somebody just to have some peace in a relationship? This ain't happiness. Okay, now you may be saying, Doc, I hear you, but listen, I've tried to fix the faucet. I've tried to tell them, you know, what they want, but it don't work. I know it don't work. So listen, if this is you, do yourself a favor. Go to my website, christopherreed.org. Schedule your free 30-minute consultation so you and I can have a conversation and I can tell you how coaching is going to help you silence the narcissist. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Peace.